Like before, they are renewing my visa like once, like every yearly. But then lately, they give me like every 2 years. So as long as we will not resign, it's automatically renewed. But if you, of course, if you will resign, anyway, it's a good company also. Elmer Ogay, thank you so much for your 2 thumbs up. You know my husband, how many girls already he got pregnant? Mega love shout out Elmer Ogay, thank you so much po. Sure po, balikan kita. Mag-comment po kayo sa isa sa mga video ko para mabalikan kita. Sir Elmer Ogay. About law, yes. Like in Philippines, like for example, like how many years we are separated already. Of course, you cannot avoid, you will have some boyfriend like this, yeah? You will have some relationship. But then, legally, as per the law, you cannot stay together unless you will file like an annulment. Like legally. I wish divorce will be approved in Philippines, because divorce, it will be easy, unlike with the annulment. It will take time, and at the same time it will take money. So the last time I inquire with the lawyer, they're asking me 200,000. So I think this time I have the cousin of my father. She graduated in law, and she told me last time that her professor is like he handled a case like annulment case, and he asked for 150,000 pesos. But then yes, it will take time, and even she told me that I can file this one even if I will not attend the hearing, it's okay. But then I'm thinking, I don't have that much money. But don't you have to have the annulment finished before you can live with someone? Yes, legally, yes. We have to finish first. But a lot of people also like, they are even staying together even the annulment is not finished. But like this, like it's just not totally, it's not legal. Because I have a friend, actually from here in Bahrain, and she met one American guy and from here, and she went home. She's doing now business in Philippines, and that's the time that she filed an annulment. So she didn't file an annulment before. What you mean? Like I will transfer another country? Dan dikit with bakas po siya, short video news. Okay, Sir Elmar Ogay, balikan ko po kayo mamaya.